Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Back to my driveway project. This has been a long ongoing adventure, lots of things to do. I had a large gap at the top of my driveway, about 2 inches. I used some of that QPR material on it. I've had a crack down where the new pad is, not quarter-inch gap, but along the edge of my driveway, and you can see I've got cracks, so definitely needs to be resealed. But I've got this Zoysia grass that's growing here in the yard, and what it does, it kind of creeps over, and you can see here at this point, it's coming over a good maybe 1.5 to 2 inches. So I'm thinking, well, to do this job right, I really need to plow out a groove and get that away from the edge of the driveway so I can go ahead and seal it. Now I've done a little bit of that over here, and you can see I can put a groove in there, and I'll clean this up with a blower. But the tool I use for this is, I go back to my Worx set of tools. Let me show you this one. This is a Worx edger. It is a WG898. I got this in the fall of last year, and it's been doing great. I've used it for the front of my sidewalk and up by the road, and it really does well. So let me just show a little bit about how this works. It's got a metal blade down here, and it's got like a dual trigger that you use. Okay, so let me get set up and show you how it works. All right, so engage. Alright, so for my next step, what I want to do is, I've got a little bit extra buildup along the edge here, so I'm just going to come in with my little hoe tool and just push that over. Once I've got it pushed over, I'm going to turn it up. And alright, let that snake in the grass. And then just clear it off the edge of the driveway. Easy peasy. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm actually going to replant this in different areas of the yards where I want to propagate my Zoysia. All right, once I've got my edging track all cleared out, the material out of there, it's time to run my blower. So here we go. So just got done blowing this section here with my blower, clearing it out. So I see the edger, I've got a nice groove there that I think I can, get my sealer in there and do, good coverage with it. Now it is going to be sunny today, so all this wet material here should dry up, and I think I'll get a good base to for the sealer to grab onto. All right, honestly, this driveway project, because I wanted to do it right, it's so many things that the more you think about it, I'm looking for weather windows where I've got like 4 days of sunshine with no rain in the forecast. I'm thinking, well, if I'm going to do it, I may as well do it right, all the way from you know, getting this wide gap taken care of and the rest of the driveway. It's a lot, but you know, I want to do it right. So you know, the other school of thought could be, well, hey, you know, it's like my one carpenter friend used to tell me, hey Joe, we're not building a church. You know, when it doesn't really need to be perfect. But you know what, I've got the time, the weather's here, so I'm going to try my best. I know it's not going to be 100% perfect, but it'll be the best I can do with what I've had at the time. And thanks for watching, everybody. Bye for now.